We've got a male patient who appears to be semi-responsive. He is breathing and his airway is clear.
Chest is stable and intact. Breast sounds are clear and equal bilaterally. Abdomen is soft. Pelvis is unstable ectocrepitus.
Okay, let's go ahead and burrito wrap this pelvis. Then let's slide this sheet right underneath him. Carefully get that under, maintain that pressure. Iliac crest is our landmark, our superior landmark, so don't go above that. You okay over there, Ben?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna bring you this side. That's your pull point. I'll go ahead and take this from you. Todd, I'm gonna get your pull points here in just a moment. All right, Todd, you go ahead and grab on here. You guys pull pressure against one another, and I'm gonna go ahead and hold this in place with the towel clips. Okay, go ahead and let go. The pelvis is stabilized. If this patient needs to go to angio to get an embolization within that pelvis, they're in good shape here because we can just have this material cut out in the area for the femoral access while still maintaining the lateral pressure.